You need to hear this if you're an IT professional. The future of work is here, and it's all about remote collaboration. Remote collaboration tools are revolutionizing how we work. They enable seamless integration and communication among teams, no matter where they are. At CMIT Boston, Newton, Waltham, we specialize in technologies like Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace. These tools boost productivity, streamline workflows, and ensure data security. Our comprehensive IT services cover licensing, workflow automation, and cybersecurity. This means you can focus on what you do best, while we take care of the tech. By leveraging our expertise, your organization can navigate the challenges of remote collaboration and excel in the digital age. Embrace the future of work with confidence. Let CMIT Boston, Newton, Waltham help you optimize efficiency and succeed in the ever-evolving digital landscape. The future is now, and it's remote. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.